Hi there, this is our best-sell capsule filling machine, also called Automatic Capsule Filler, NJP-1200C. For filling powder, granule, or pellet into hard capsule, size 000-5. Automated rejection, efficiency detect and reject any unqualified. Max output 32,000 pieces per hour. Filling accuracy exceeds 97%. Adopts modular design, mold changing only takes 14 minutes. With 6S management workshop, our machines meet CGMP, CE, ISO, SGS standards. Sufficient inventory, provide the fastest delivery within 14 days. Strict factory inspection, let you worry-free using. To purchase capsule filling machine, contact Rich Packing.